Bad news on great companies. Isn't that what we look for when we're looking for a stock? I saw some bad news on a great company yesterday. Maybe you guys saw it as well. Stick around the video and I'll talk about what company that was. Good afternoon. My name is Adam Kahn and I'm the Rational Investor. Today is Tuesday, February 27th. I hope you're all doing well. Before I talk about the company I saw yesterday that had bad news, you could do me a favor if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button, smash the like button. I really appreciate the support. It's been super cool to see the channel growing. And I want to thank all you guys. Um, anyway, like I said, it's been super cool and I'm really enjoying it. So yesterday, all over CNBC, they were talking about Google and giving this terrible information about their AI search engine having some errors and that they predicted they're going to lose 25% of their search over the next 2 years, and an awful lot of other things that looked pretty scary and drove the stock down. I want to say 4 or 5%. Well, me personally, and this is not financial advice, just as a reminder, you guys need to make your own financial decisions. But Google is a company I want to own. And for those of you watching me now, you're watching me on Google. YouTube is one of the things that Google owns. Also, something they said is going to lose revenue and whatever else. But again, this is a great company that I want to have in my portfolio. Maybe the news is right. Maybe they start losing market share. It's possible. But it's also possible that the information on the news is a little hyperbolic, scaring people out of the stock, which gives me the opportunity of what I look for when I want to buy a great company. You want to buy it when the news is bad and it looks scary and the information is scaring people out of the stock that may not otherwise be selling it. I want to be buying from sellers and I want to be selling to buyers. Now, that doesn't mean I'm always right. The market can move far against me and it could be the wrong time to do things, and maybe the information on the TV is good. But generally, I look at that as advertising. If they're advertising bad information, that brings sellers into the market. If they're advertising good information, that brings buyers in. On a separate subject like Bitcoin right now, it's been in the news again. And I think Bitcoin's probably going higher in the long run, but they've been talking about it the past couple days on CNBC and the other channels, which makes me think it probably could have a pullback before it continues higher. In terms of Google, which is one of the stocks I really want to own, same thing in the other direction. The bad news they were talking about yesterday and all day long, and they even talked about it a little today, helped drive the stock below $140 a share. And it's bounced off that 136, 137 range a few times. So hopefully it holds there. If it gets below there, I would be cautious if you're a trader. But if you're a long-term holder, I would buy a small amount. Again, not financial advice. You guys need to talk to a financial advisor. This is what I typically do. I'd buy a small amount so that if that's a bottom and it goes higher, I have some. But if it goes lower, I have an opportunity to maybe buy more. That's what I want to do with companies that I think are great companies. Let me know what you guys do with companies you think are great companies. I really try not to buy into the excitement when they're making new highs and going higher. I mean, look at Coinbase. I was talking about it when it had some bad information coming out. And fortunately, it seems to be working out okay. Anyway, we're going to keep today short. I hope you enjoyed it. Give me a thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and make some comments.